Greetings and welcome to OroCommerce's video tutorial series. This is Rhonda with Oro Inc. and today we'll be demonstrating how to use the quick order form in OroCommerce. The quick order form allows customers and guests to quickly create and update shopping lists, create requests for quotes, and create orders without navigating away from the quick order form page. Products can be added to an order by using the autocomplete assisted search functionality to search by SKU or product name. Additionally, sellers can import their order from a spreadsheet, or they can add items to an order by pasting them into a text box. Users can then use the information listed on the quick order form to request quotes, create orders, or add the items from the quick order form to a new or existing shopping list. In this demonstration, we'll cover how to enable or disable the quick order form for customers and guests, how to use the assisted search functionality, how to paste and format items into a text box, and how to use the import functionality. Additionally, we'll demonstrate using the quick order form to request a quote, create an order, and then adding items from the quick order form to a new or existing shopping list. The quick order form can be configured globally, per website, and per organization. To enable or disable the quick order form for customers or guests, navigate to the main system menu and use the drop-down to select Configuration. Expand Commerce, expand Sales, and click on Quick Order Form. The Quick Order Form for customers is enabled by default, but you can disable this option by unchecking the Use Default checkbox to open the field for editing, and uncheck the checkbox to enable the Quick Order Form. The Guest Quick Order Form is disabled by default, but you can change this option by unchecking the Use Default checkbox to open the field for editing. Then click the checkbox to enable the Guest Quick Order Form. When you're finished configuring your Quick Order Form, click the Save Settings button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now we'll show you how the Quick Order Form works. Navigate to the OroCommerce storefront. Click on the Quick Order Form link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. As you can see, the Quick Order Form is divided up into 3 sections for buyer convenience. You can add items to your order by using the Quick Order Form with search functionality. You can upload your order by uploading a CSV file, or you can paste your order directly into a text box. Additionally, from this page, buyers can request a quote, create an order, or add the items from the Quick Order Form to a new or existing shopping list. First, we'll demonstrate how to use the Quick Order Form with search functionality. You can begin by typing characters into the item field to search for a product by the product name or the product SKU number. For our example, we're going to be searching for medical scrubs. I'll start by typing the letters of the word scrub into the search box. As you begin typing letters, a drop-down displays with items from your search criteria. Once the drop-down displays, select an item to add to the Quick Order Form. In the quantity column, add a number to indicate the quantity you would like to purchase. For our example, we'll put 3. In the unit column, use the drop-down to select a unit of measure. Only units of measure which were pre-configured into the specified product are listed. For our example, we'll choose set. Now we'll add a product by using the SKU number. Begin by entering the SKU number into the item column. Once again, add a quantity and a unit of measure. For this example, we're going to use this Quick Order Form to get a quote. Click the Get Quote button. Under the Request a Quote form, fill out any additional information, including any notes that you would like the seller to know. And when you're finished, click the Submit Request button. Now we'll return back to the order form so we can show you how to import a list of products for your order. Click on the Quick Order Form link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. In this section of the Quick Order Form, you can upload a list of products to add to your order. it is recommended that you first download a template for the order in order to help guide you. To get the template, click on the Get Directions link. As you can see, you'll have an option to download a CSV template, an XLSX template, or an ODS template. Click on one of the links to download a template. Your quick order template has 3 columns of information: one for the item number or the SKU number, one for quantity, and one for the unit. We'll add the 2 items previously demonstrated. Now we'll return back to the quick order form to upload our CSV file. Click on the Choose File button to select a file for upload. A dialog will display for import validation. As you can see, 2 items were validated from our uploaded list. Click Add to Form to add these items to the form. And for this example, we'll create an order. Proceed through the checkout options to submit your order. During order review, you can add additional options such as a Do Not Ship Later Than date, a PO number, and any notes that you want the seller to know. When you're ready, click Submit Order. Now we'll return back to the quick order form to demonstrate how you paste in an order. Click on the quick order form link. In this section, you can paste in your order by pasting the SKU number, quantity, and unit type into the text box, separated by spaces, semicolons, or commas. For this example, I'll use the items we previously demonstrated to paste in our order. You can verify the items you've pasted in by clicking the Verify Order button. As you can see, the items have been added to the quick order form. For this example, we're going to add these products to a new or existing shopping list. Use the drop-down to select a shopping list or to create a new shopping list. And click the Create and Add button. Now our items have been added to our Scrubs shopping list, which you can access by using the Shopping List drop-down. As you can see, our items have now been added to a shopping list. Now we'll return back to the Management Console and show you how to configure the quick order form per organization and per websites. To configure it per organization, navigate to the Main System menu and use the drop-down to select User Management and then Organizations. Hover over the ellipse to the far right of the organization you'd like to configure and use the Quick Action options to edit the organization's configuration. Click on the gear. Expand Commerce, expand Sales, and click on Quick Order Form. Configure the Quick Order Form as previously demonstrated. Any changes that occur to this configuration setting will happen for this organization only. To configure the Quick Order Form per website, navigate to the System menu and use the drop-down to select Websites. Hover over the ellipse to the far right of the website you'd like to configure and use the Quick Action options to edit the website configuration. Expand Commerce, expand Sales, and click on Quick Order Form. Configure the options as we previously demonstrated. Any changes to this configuration will happen for this website only. Thanks for watching. For more video tutorials, please check out our website at www.orocommerce.com/media-library and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay informed of the latest video tutorials and webinars.